Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate this super simple candy cane eyeliner. This is pretty much the easiest 5-minute Christmas makeup I could possibly think of. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. I've noticed that most of the people watching my videos are not subscribed. So if you're watching this and you like this tutorial, by the end of it, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. If you don't have any ideas what kind of makeup you want to do for Christmas, but you want to do something festive, I've got a super easy 5-minute Christmas makeup tutorial. Just keep watching. It's completely up to you if you want to use wing liner or not. I just like to because I like wing liner. Then I'm going to go in with the Believe Beauty Long Lasting Lip Liner. I know this is a red lip liner. For me, I feel like this is what's going to work best, so that's what I'm using. Okay, so I messed up a little bit and made it a little bit too thick. Then I'm going in with my NYX white liquid liner. And for this one, I just sort of went straight here and then went across a little bit. And I mean, it probably could look a little bit neater. Alright, then I just go back over them to make them a little bit brighter. And of course, you know, my other eye turned out a lot better than this one because I'm trying to film this one and, you know, I'm really sorry. I really tried. You can add mascara and your favorite lashes. I'm using the Broadway Colors Belle lashes. So I'm gonna go do that real quick and I'll be right back. So I just lined my lips using the same lip liner I used on my eye. The ColourPop Kathleen Lights Twinkling Lights in Lucky Star. So there you have it. This is a super simple Christmassy eye look. So if you want to do something very artistic for Christmas, but you don't want to use any eyeshadow or anything like that, this is really simple. And I think it looks super cute. So it's just a really easy Christmas makeup tutorial. So look at my little earrings. How cute are they? Here is the eye look up close. I would like to verify again, I am not a makeup artist and I know my work's very sloppy. This eye honestly looks so much better, but I just had to test out the concept and I apparently couldn't do it very well on this eye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and I hope that someone actually recreates this. I know that I'm not the first person to do this eye look. Honestly, I don't know who is, but it's just something I thought would be really cute for Christmas, and it's super simple. It takes you about 5 minutes as long as you don't mess up as bad as I did. And yeah, I mean, it's nothing too extra. I mean, I pretty much just look like I'm wearing natural makeup with just a little bit of extra eyeliner. And yeah, I just think it's really cute. So please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if it was helpful for you, or if you just really like this, you know, really simple Christmas makeup. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on notifications so you can see when I post new videos and be the first to see them. I post videos every single Saturday, and I'll see you guys next Saturday.